And this is our menstrual cup applicator. So this one is the fuchsia pink and this is the peach color. So to use this, this is actually composed of 3 parts. So you have to pull it like that. This is the first part, which is the push rod, and then the middle part. Yung iba nalilito, akala nila walang second part. Pero nakadikit lang siya. Yan. Basta may ganito. Pull nyo lang siya ganyan. This one is just for cover. Ito yung push rod. Ito yung middle part. So, to use it, syempre, itong 2 parts lang, technically, ang gagamitin nyo. So, we will start off with our deluxe menstrual cup kasi mas maliit. Then, insert nyo lang siya. Kailangan medyo matulis yung pinakaibabaw niya para mas madali siyang maipasok. So, ganyan lang siya. Insert nyo lang. Medyo gitna lang, sa middle part lang yung pag-insert, ganyan lang, middle part, and then you push it. Menstrual cup, inserted. So, ayan, hindi na nyo ng problema yung pag-insert kasi naka-insert na siya automatically. So, walang hassle yung pag-insert kapag ginagamit natin tong menstrual cup applicator. And let's try using Kanak BB menstrual cup. Ito medyo mataba, ito menstrual cup na to. Just insert it like that. And again, make sure medyo matulis yung part na nakalabas yan. Para mas madali siyang insert. Insert it halfway para hindi masaktan naman yung ating kifi. And then you push it. Insert our menstrual cup. So, yep. Ayan. And then, I think sometimes it just needed a little push. Just make sure you run your fingers. Make sure it's open inside. So, try naman natin sa ating menstrual cup na classic. Medyo makapal to. So, medyo effort yung pag-insert sa kanya. Just do the punch down. Fold. And insert it on our applicator. So, make sure it's lubricated. Kasi medyo challenging kapag medyo makapal na yung cup. Kailangan lang medyo matulis again just so it's easier for us to insert it, and then we'll just insert it halfway through, and then let's push it. And as you can see, it's opened. You can just run your fingers just to make sure it's inserted properly, and there you have it. So